Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare products that you absolutely must try. And the best part? You can make them right at home. So, if you're tired of spending a fortune on expensive store-bought products that promise miracles but deliver disappointment, then this video is for you. Now, before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why natural skincare is so important. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and it deserves the best care possible. Unfortunately, many commercial skincare products are loaded with harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients that can actually do more harm than good. That's where natural skincare comes in. By using homemade, natural skincare products, you can ensure that you're nourishing your skin with pure, wholesome ingredients. Not only are these products gentle and safe, but they're also often more effective in the long run. Plus, making your own skincare products can be a fun and rewarding experience. In this video, we'll be sharing 3 amazing natural skincare recipes that you can easily whip up in your own kitchen. First up, we have a DIY face mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. We'll also be showing you how to make a soothing body scrub that will exfoliate and moisturize your skin, leaving it silky smooth. And finally, we'll be sharing a homemade lip balm recipe that will keep your lips soft and hydrated all day long. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 fantastic natural skincare products that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Not only will your skin thank you, but your wallet will too. So, if you're ready to take your skincare game to the next level, then let's get started. But before we dive into the recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try these natural skincare products. Alright, let's jump right in. In the world of skincare, there is a growing trend towards natural and homemade products. People are becoming more conscious of the ingredients they put on their skin and are seeking alternatives to commercial products that often contain harsh chemicals. Today, I want to share with you 3 amazing natural skincare products that you must try at home. Let's talk about the challenges and opportunities associated with homemade skincare. One of the main obstacles people face is the belief that natural products are not as effective as their commercial counterparts. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Natural ingredients can be just as powerful, if not more so, than synthetic ones. Plus, making your own skincare products gives you full control over what goes into them, allowing you to tailor them to your specific needs. Now, let's get into the first product, a DIY face mask. Face masks are a great way to pamper your skin and address specific concerns such as acne, dryness, or dullness. By using ingredients like honey, yogurt, and turmeric, you can create a mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Next up, we have a soothing body scrub. Exfoliating your skin is essential for removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. By combining ingredients like sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils, you can create a luxurious scrub that will leave your skin silky smooth and moisturized. Lastly, we have a homemade lip balm. Our lips are often neglected, but they deserve some love too. By using natural ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, and essential oils, you can create a lip balm that will keep your lips soft and hydrated all day long. The best part about these homemade skincare products is that they are not only effective, but also cost-effective. You can save money by using ingredients that you already have in your kitchen, and you can customize the products to suit your preferences. So, if you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, I encourage you to give these natural homemade products a try. Your skin will thank you for it. 1 Honey and Oatmeal Face Mask. Honey is a natural humectant that helps to retain moisture in the skin, making it soft and supple. Oatmeal acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal to create a paste. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This mask is great for all skin types and can be used once or twice a week for best results. 2. Coconut oil and sugar body scrub. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it smooth and glowing. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Mix half a cup of coconut oil with 1 cup of sugar to create a thick paste. Gently massage the scrub onto your body in circular motions, focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week to maintain healthy and radiant skin. 3. Beeswax Lip Balm. Beeswax is a natural emollient that forms a protective barrier on the lips, preventing moisture loss. Shea butter and almond oil provide deep hydration and nourishment to dry and chapped lips. In a double boiler, melt 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Once melted, pour the mixture into small lip balm containers and let it cool and solidify. Apply the lip balm whenever your lips feel dry or chapped. This homemade lip balm is free from harmful chemicals and will keep your lips soft and moisturized throughout the day. Incorporating these homemade natural skincare products into your routine can have numerous benefits for your skin. Not only are they cost-effective, but they also provide your skin with the nourishment it needs without any harsh chemicals. Whether you're looking to hydrate your skin, exfoliate, or protect your lips, these homemade products have got you covered. Give them a try and experience the wonders of natural skincare firsthand. Your skin will thank you. When it comes to natural skincare, there are countless homemade products that you can try. Today, we'll be exploring 3 must-try natural skincare products that you can easily make at home. But before we dive in, let's take a closer look at the different aspects and perspectives surrounding these products. One aspect to consider is the environmental impact of commercial skincare products. Many commercial products contain harmful chemicals that can be detrimental to the environment. By making your own natural skincare products, you have the opportunity to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Another perspective to explore is the effectiveness of natural ingredients compared to their synthetic counterparts. While some may argue that natural ingredients are not as potent as synthetic ones, others believe that natural ingredients can be just as effective, if not more so. It's important to consider your own skin type and needs when deciding which products to use. Additionally, it's worth noting that natural skincare products can be more cost-effective in the long run. While the initial investment may be higher when purchasing ingredients, you can make multiple batches of products from a single purchase. This can save you money in the long term, especially when compared to the ongoing cost of purchasing commercial products. Now, let's delve into the 3 natural skincare products that you must try. We have a DIY face mask made with honey, yogurt, and turmeric, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. This mask can help soothe irritated skin and improve overall complexion. Next, we have a soothing body scrub made with sugar and coconut oil. This gentle exfoliant helps remove dead skin cells and moisturizes the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. It's perfect for those with dry or rough skin. Lastly, we have a homemade lip balm made with beeswax, shea butter, and almond oil. This lip balm provides deep hydration and protection for your lips, keeping them soft and supple. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any natural skincare products at home? What were your experiences? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Let's continue the discussion and learn from each other's experiences. In conclusion, natural skincare products offer a safe and effective alternative to commercial products that are often loaded with harsh chemicals. By making your own homemade skincare products, you have the opportunity to nourish and care for your skin with pure, wholesome ingredients. We explored 3 must-try natural skincare products: a honey and oatmeal face mask, a coconut oil and sugar body scrub, and a beeswax lip balm. These products are easy to make at home and provide numerous benefits for your skin. The honey and oatmeal face mask helps to refresh and rejuvenate your skin, while the coconut oil and sugar body scrub exfoliates and moisturizes. Lastly, the beeswax lip balm keeps your lips soft and hydrated throughout the day. By incorporating these natural skincare products into your routine, you can improve the health and appearance of your skin. Not only are these products effective, but they are also cost-effective in the long run. Plus, by making your own skincare products, you can reduce your environmental impact and contribute to a more sustainable future. I encourage you to give these homemade skincare products a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on natural skincare and other related topics. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.